I'm not going to be able to talk much out there because there's a lot of customers, but I am going to take a camera and show you something. I had a pipe break, and so, I mean, this is the stuff that happens. I mean, I walked in and there was water everywhere. I saw it on the camera earlier in the day, and I wasn't quite sure. I thought maybe it was from snow melting, people tracking it in, and then I thought it was maybe it just came out of the machine, and then I realized we had a pipe broke. So later I shut the machine off. I figured out which one it was. And I think that how this pipe broke is I walked back in there, I crawled in there one time to fix a belt on a hard mount washer, and I think what I did is I stepped on this pipe and cracked it just a little bit, and over time that water draining down this trap finally broke it. So I'll take you in here and show you this real quick. This is the stuff, like, this will happen all the time. I swear to God, I leak more water than I put down the drain. Oh, just pick up quarters. That's what they said. They said all it's going to be, Keenan, just pick up quarters. That's all you got to do, is collect quarters. Okay, Brandon. Oh no, I'm cutting off everybody here. I should have a GoPro on. Oh, this is gonna be the death of me yet. Okay, we gotta go. Oh, let's see what we can do here. I don't know. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're in a bad spot. You're in a bad spot. We're all in a bad spot here. Yeah, the trick we're going to do is try to slide some stuff together while we're doing this. Yeah, this is horrible. Horrible. Alright, I think we got a plan here. Yeah, I know this sucks, guys. Where the hell did that boot go? Boot. There it is. You can't even see what I'm doing. I'll tell you, this is not collecting quarters, guys, at all. This is not Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Trying to tighten this without breaking it. Trying. Alright, let's see. We gotta glue this pipe. I'll glue my face. There we go. Now we gotta hook these two up somehow. Wow. This is one of those things where you're going to have to put both parts together at once and hope it works. Like I said, this is just temporary. Well, might have it here, folks. I'll show you this disaster in a minute here. I'm going to use this other clamp to double clamp this just to be safe. Having fun. Having fun watching this mess. I should live stream this. You guys can make comments while I'm doing this stuff live. I'm just double banding this to be safe. Alright guys, let's go. One of the machines has an error code on it. And you're gonna laugh about this, but the first thing they tell you to do at Speed Queen is unplug it and plug it back in. So that's what we're gonna do. And I think what it is one of these motors has a sensor error, because see, these new motors have built-in capacitors. So they're single phase, three phase, some kind of deal. And I think one of them went out. So we are gonna get a ladder and we're gonna get up there and unplug it real quick. So you do the magical IT move, and we unplug it, and we wait a couple minutes. And the reason we wait a couple minutes is because the capacitors have to run out of all the juice, and they can hold juice for like a minute or two. So we'll just wait a couple minutes, we'll plug it back in, we'll see what we got. I don't know if I showed you up here. You see, I don't know how well you can see, but you see that wall up there? That's that wall I was working along on the roof. Man, it's cold back here. Well, let's go try to run it and see what happens. We're gonna bend this thing, and if it doesn't work, then we know it's bad. Yeah, see, same dryer, now the problem's fixed.